Here are the steps for a binomial distribution using an nspire. All you need to do is be in a calculate screen. So go ahead and press the calculate screen. Now under menu, we want to go to probability, and it is a distribution. So go down to distribution. Your distributions will appear to the left, but you need to go down past what they're showing you to binomial PDF and binomial CDF. We're going to start with binomial PDF. This finds the binomial distribution at a single point. I always say P is for point or for a specific X value. And you just need to fill in what they're asking for. The number of trials, let's say there were 10 trials. This is similar to an example we did in class. The probability for success, let's say, is 0.07. And we want to find what's the probability that 3 will occur. And then you just press OK. And it gives you your probability right there. Again, number of observations, probability for success, and 3 is the X value that we want. Now remember, binomial CDF is the cumulative. That's when you want to find more than one probability. So again, back to menu, back to probability, back to distributions, and again, you need to go down to find binomial. Here's binomial CDF for cumulative. And what's nice about the nspire is you don't have to remember left or right. It actually gives you an lower and upper bound. So for that example, 10 was our number of trials. 0.07 was the probability for success. Now, if I put a 3 in here, it will add up the probability for 3 plus the probability for 2 plus the probability for 1 and for 0. Which again, remember to include that 0 when you want everything less than the value. But the nspire lets you put in any values in here. So if it said, what's the probability that between 2 and 5 people, whatever the probability for 0.07 was, wore glasses, then you could just put in that specific range. So notice here, if I just go ahead and press OK, it gives me binomial CDF. This value is obviously much bigger because it is adding up 0 people, 1 person, 2 people, and 3 people all together. So that's how you do binomial PDF and binomial CDF. Remember, everything is under that menu. And then think about this is a probability type question. It's a distribution. Normal we will use a lot, but you have to remember you need to arrow down to find that binomial PDF and binomial CDF.